Yo, what's up guys? Bagsy here, and we are live for the EMX trading competition. Hangout. Boom. Gonna send this out just so we can get as many of our friends in here as usual. Feel free to come on in, say what's up. I'll give you guys a few minutes before we start. Hope your day's been going well so far. Got some lo-fi hip-hop beats in the back. Let me know if it's too loud or if it's perfect or not loud enough. So I just made my account on EMX, looking at the leaderboard for the trading test competition, and we got some catching up to do, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Crypto Z's is number 2 now. This dude named Scam Master is first. It's pretty funny. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a minute or two more to come on in. Say what's up. Yo, what's up, Bokum? What's up, Trader1MT? How you guys doing? What's up, Trading Peter? How you doing, bro? Thank you so much for that little avatar thing you made of me. That was really cool. I appreciate it. Whenever your game drops, let me know, and I'll share it with the people. What's up, Elective Set? Boom. So I'm actually this stream sponsored by EMX. So for this stream, I'll be going through the platform, giving a quick intro to what they offer, what it does, and I'm going to take a couple trades, and I'm going to need your guys' help for this because I want to win the Testnet Trading Challenge. And here's what I'll do. If we do end up placing, right, if we do end up winning, I will give half of everything to you guys. So for this stream, number 1 prize I think is 1 BTC, and they're giving away 25k in additional prizes along the way. So whatever I win, you win half. First time I've caught your stream, trying to improve my trading. Hey, what's up, Belong Road? Well, I'll do my best to kind of give advice during this stream. I'll be looking at TradingView and the EMX platform because for their charting, they're adding their stuff to TradingView in a short time. So there isn't enough data on the chart yet for me to be able to trade solely off this, but we'll simply go there. So the cool thing I really like about EMX, firstly, the interface is clean, right? Secondly, they show funding pretty easily. They show max leverage. They also allow you guys to trade Bitcoin, perpetual, futures, Ethereum, Link, Tezos, the Euro, Gold, and the S&P 500. So that's kind of cool for you guys who are into trading commodities or the more utilized stocks. Hey man, what's the news on this competition? Yeah, exactly. I'm explaining it. I'm in. Good luck from the Kootenays bags. Hey, offsuit. Yeah, guys. So basically, they're giving out free prizes just to test it out, take some trades. Right now, Crypto Z's from Twitter's number 2, so I want to knock him off his little stool. They gave everyone 20 Bitcoin to start with, which is $203,000. So I'm considering taking some risky leverage plays. Everything is on cross margin, kind of like on Deribit, meaning for the moment you can't select your leverage per se, but you can still do quick math and not liquidate yourself. So firstly, also I sent a Google Hangout to a friend of mine at EMX, so maybe she'll drop by, say what's up, maybe not. We'll see. So yeah, so I'm looking at, this is on Coinbase, that's why. I'm thinking of doing something with Chainlink actually, while I'm at it. Man, it's really tempting to short this. but you can never short support. Fuck, if I had to take a short, I'd probably place some at 25, $2.50. I mean, you know, something like that. If anything, I'd probably long here. What do you guys think about Chainlink? Funding's negative. If positive, longs pay short. If negative, shorts pay long. So right now, it's actually more advantageous to long by a very small margin here. What should I do? Let's look at Tezos also. Let's give ourselves an array of options here. Let's see. Boom. How's the music for you guys? Is it chill? Long, huh? Let's look at the BTC pairings first. Actually, that would be a bit smarter of me. But yeah, another cool thing actually that I do like about this is you can actually you can go into trade mode. So I actually already had it on. So trade mode, you can actually market buy, market sell directly from here. You can even do so in the order book. So you can market buy, market sell. You can pick your type of order, quantity, yada yada. So it's actually a pretty chill, smooth interface, and there's no no lag. Obviously, I mean, if they had lag now, there'd be a problem, but hopefully it stays as such. But overall, I mean, it's really it's a pretty chill platform. You can rearrange stuff. I think they're going for the maybe the BitMEX look in this, and I really support that because BitMEX has a clean interface. So yeah, let's see what we can do here. All right, study, display, log scale, study. Kind of liking Link right now, to be honest. Let's go on the BTC pairing on Binance quick. Okay, so we actually hit our first support area here. Nice. I don't know if you guys have been following me for the last few days, but I've been looking at these two levels for that. It is pretty chill, huh, Repair? So yeah, so you could also do it in Link tokens or in USD. For the BTC pair, you could do BTC or in USD value if you prefer calculating your orders in that value. I guess we could do USD for this. Max leverage 100x. Wow, we could buy a lot of links with this. What do you guys think I should do? Long or short? I need your help here. 22432. Quick guys, long or short? Let's go. Actually, we're gonna go boom, market, because we do everything with market, obviously, guys. Short it, long it. Yo, what's up, Johnny? How you doing, man? Long next resistance. Short is long. FTB is 219.16. FTB. Oh, listen to me. We got some PA people. Here, let me do this for confirmation bias. Four-hour. I think I'd short. You know what? I think I'll short here, and I put a stop loss above 231, and I target something like 177 maybe. What does that look like to you guys? It looks like a pretty nice little pivot. Let's say 180. Let's see what that would look like if we were to do. Here, let's take it from here. R&R of 2.6. What do you guys think? Short, but don't listen to me. All right, let's short. Limit order, market price, 231, 231.15. You know, let's pull this just a bit farther. 232.61. That's good. That's going to be our invalidation level. 232.61. Market order. Stop. Reduce only. And that would be a buy. This is actually pretty clean. I like how they separated that. They even showed the maker-taker rebates here. Market price, quantity, stop, buy. Perfect. Alright, I'll allow it. I'll allow it. Okay. So now that we have a stop, let's do a market. Sell. And guys, you probably shouldn't be using market sells and stuff. I'm just doing it for the hell of it. But typically you want to use limit orders. You know what I mean? Yeah, so we'll execute this take profit as a stop market. That's one thing that I find a lot of people sometimes might make the mistake of. When they're taking profit, they set it to limit order. So let's say the trade goes our way, whatever, and it hits $1.80 and immediately gets bought up, right? Immediate response. If you set a limit order there, sometimes your order just won't get filled because you just won't find the appropriate player on the other end of it to accept it. So you typically almost always want to be using it as a market order at the desired price. 1.8048. 1.48. All right. 180.48. 180.48. And then we have buy. Hey, so we're $18 in profit. What? Cool. So now we are in position, okay? So our stop is at $2. You can drag it too. Sweet. Sorry, it's the little things that really get me excited about platforms. Thanks, Trader1MT. I appreciate you. Yo, Trader, I need some more financial, non-financial advice. What are your thoughts on Tezos right now? Or what do you guys think about Tezos? On the let's see, on the BTC pairing. Okay. You guys bullish here, bearish here? What's the overall feeling? Let's go here, actually, get the most price action possible. Interesting. This volume candle is really something. Multiple bullish divs here on the weekly. 1, 2, 3, What happened that day? What happened here? Long. Are you alone, poor Bagsy? Hey, what's up, Ace? How you doing, brother? Yeah, I'm alone right now, bro. But now I got you, so I'm not alone. I need some help with these orders, bro. Short everything you can with low leverage. Fuck, I got into a $56,000 short on Link. Pray for me. Let's see what our... Yeah, we still got... Yeah, we're good. We got a ways to go before liquidation. XTZ follows, BTC pumps up. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm gonna take a long on Tezos. No joke. Should we buy $4 million worth of Tezos? Yo, Bagsy, Tezos is sitting at the 50 moving average. I'm not much of a moving average trader, but I mean, if you ask me, that sounds pretty darn good to me. Hold up, let me just send a quick tweet out. As always, if you guys would be so kind, please retweet. Let everyone know that we're live right now. Let's see, where is that tweet? 1 second. Here it is. Boom. Boom. Restream. Enter. So if you guys could, that'd be very appreciated if you could retweet that, share that with your family and friends, as always. And yeah, so I'm in a long Tezos. I just get a feeling like I'm gonna take a bunch of different positions, and based off what Bitcoin will do, we'll kind of be hedged one way or the next. I obviously don't trade the same when it's when it's with my own money, but what I do like about Tezos is that we've reclaimed this well, I guess you could call it pivot, this pivot area, so we could drop. You know what? I'm gonna be a bit more patient on Tezos here. 1 second. 258 times XTZ U. Oops. XBTU. What's the price? Oh shit, we went. Okay, we're at 10.7. $1.04 should be our entry. So let's see what that looks like. XTZ here. Let's go on Finex. Hey, Bulgin 5 a.m. Thank you for the retweet, guys. Really appreciate you. Oh yeah? I think those huge volume candles might have been either the Coinbase listing or trading going live or the interesting. Yeah. It's a good point. They did have a listing recently. Thank you. So yeah, so if we were to just utilize the Bitcoin chart for this, right, 104.32 would be a potentially good entry. Let's see where this 104.72 I said, something like that. 104.32 here. Doom coordinates. That actually makes a lot of sense. So if I were them, I would want to take all the liquidity beneath here. Something like that. So I'm going to place my orders from 10. You know what? I'm going to be even more conservative with Tezos. I'm going to place one bid at 104.7. All right. 104.701. 1. Let's do 4 million. Let's do 100K. Right? Field must be in a multiple of, oh, okay, fine. Do 100K limit order at 104.7. Actually, no, let's do 50K. Yeah, how's the music, guys? You enjoying yourself? Hey, what's up, Johnny? How you doing, bro? I'm doing really well. Just having some fun with this EMX platform. Your order has been accepted. Okay. So far so good. I haven't made any blunders just yet, which is nice. Okay, so we got one order at 1047, right? So right at this wick. Another interesting order to place would be at, let's see, let's use our VPVR, see where the liquidity is laying. Ah, there you go. At $1. Music's cool. Good stuff, guys. I'm glad you guys are having a good time. So yeah, so $1, one, something like that. And here we'll do 75K. Limit order here. Buy. Hey, we're $574 in profit. Well, it's not profit till you sell, but we're doing good, boys and girls. We're doing good. We're on our way to the top. One liquidation at a time. All right, so enough messing around. Now, where I don't want to see price return to is, that's gonna be the challenge, right? Like, where can I set my bids? My stops, so that I don't actually get stopped out if I'm right. This would be too wide. Maybe something like, I'm willing to die on this hill, I think. I'm thinking 96 cents. What do you guys think? Hey Bagsy, did you just blow 2/3 of your 200K stack on 2 orders? Maybe. Maybe not. Well, we got 20 Bitcoin, right? Fair enough. That's a good point. Because I'm considering like cross margin into this too. Yeah, I'm good with that. How much is one Tezzy? Yeah, that's actually. Yeah, let's be a bit more. Let's be a bit more conservative here. I'm ready to go to the bank with this. 0.96. That's where you place your stop. I was looking at that too, actually. I was looking at that too. Here, this is what we're gonna do for this. You know what? I think price is actually gonna retrace all the way to the dollar mark. So. Oh, that's why. XTZU. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about the platform, just feel free to ask. Hey, quick question. Found some Bitcoin dust on my old Bittrex account. I live in the US. Should I move this to another exchange? I don't know. I mean, you should move it to EMX. Jokes aside, though, EMX is currently not open to US customers. However, the party is open to everyone else. For the trading competition, you don't necessarily need to KYC, so you can still participate in a sense. But to answer your question, Doji, what do you want to do? I mean, like, what's your reasoning for leaving Bittrex? If you can explain that to me, then I'll have a better idea what your needs are. Man, at the same time, lower high. I think I'm gonna short Tezos here too. Hold up, let me wrap my head around all this. I'm getting excited now. Yeah, so I would... Actually, I should probably short right now. No joke. Market, let's market sell 50K. Let's go. This estimated liquidation price $5.20. I think we'll survive. Okay. So now that we're shorting all of these guys, we should probably put our stop. Let's see where the liquidity lays. Yeah, so right now we're about to enter a gap if we can't bridge up here. I'm gonna go with 120. All right, hold up. Can't do two things at once, boys and girls. Didn't know if Bittrex had any conflicts with the US. Foreshadowed. I mean, if anything, Bittrex is compliant with the US, so as long as you're paying your taxes and being an honorable citizen, you should be fine. Here, so this is my reasoning for going short here. Like, we broke back beneath this pivot. For me to long, I think the smarter thing would do to be to wait for a break and close above $1.30. So let's say we break down from here, right? Where are all the stops? Where's everyone waiting? Where's all the money? It's at 88 cents. So I will personally place a stop above, fuck it, let's say 136. But let's see what this would look like, risk to reward setup. We're going to be professionals about this here. It's probably not a great R&R. Really not great. Yeah, where would you guys place a stop on Tezos? I'm actually a bit conflicted right now. Yeah, I changed my mind. To future, I changed my mind, okay? Did I hurt your feelings? Tezos follows BTC up and down, usually without fail, so it depends what you think Corn will do. Bagsy, can you explain how you identify liquidity pools with the Viper? You mean the VPVR? Well, one thing, price will typically retrace to gaps. So here's a gap. Another thing, VPVR can be used to identify resistance, support levels. You could consider those liquidity pools since there's a lot of liquidity within that. However, like right now, if we were to take the entire range, right, the POC is at 131.9. Next high volume node is at 101. That would be a first target here. So if I were to tighten this, let's tighten this stop up a bit. We'll do it above that wick, because technically, if this is bearish, we shouldn't see price reclaim, what's the top of this wick? $1.20. We tried here, failed, so if we're right, I don't think price would do one more pump into that. I'm gonna put my stop a bit wider, just in case. 125, right? And all the stops are resting at 82 cents or whatever this area is. 82,857. Let's say 83. Here, 83. So we got a 50K contract. We'll put a stop. We'll put a stop at 120. 125.03. Stop. Market order. 125.03. Oh, 125.05. Fine. Reduce only. And right now we are market shorting. So if price gets back there, we'd need to buy it at that price. So our trigger is 125. Buy. And then automatically, we're going to set our take profit at the same time. Because you don't want to just leave your position and, you know, let's say price gets there and you're like, oh, I was sleeping. No. So yeah, so take profit, again, market order. And the market price here will be, let's say 83.7. So 83 cents. 83 cents. 83 cents and one, I guess. And here we're selling, so we'd have to buy. Boom. Stop loss 116.40 above 1 hour gap. Ooh, we're getting fancy over here. Hey, what's up, Voice of Crypto? How you doing, brother? Welcome, dude. I gotta get you on Twitch, man. That'd be so awesome. Where did you say that? Okay, Dead Rabbits 1.248. I mean, that's kind of, I guess, where we're at. Stop loss 116.4. Where would that? 116. Let me just edit it from here. Stop 116.4. That's a tight one. Ooh, you're expecting this to go right now, huh? Good homie, always watching you. You're scaring me, bro. I'm always watching you too. I mean, for me personally, this is like, for me, too tight of a stop. I'd probably get, with my luck, I'd get stopped out and then it would go there. So like for me, I'd probably place a wider one, like we had spoken about. 120. Come on. All right. Well, it won't let me go back to it, but it's where's my stop at? $125.05. There you go. 125. Boom. We're discovering this little platform together. What do you guys think so far? Yeah, they got Tezos swaps, they got Linksies, they got Euro, Gold, S&P 500, Ethereum. What do you guys think about Ethereum right now? Are you guys bullish, bearish? What are your overall thoughts? Okay, hold up. Let me delete all these notes. Get a clean chart for you guys. We gotta be professional. Hey, that's Voice of Crypto. You can't take my job. I'm the clown here. But yeah, dude. Like, I'll let you know when we're not doing a trading version of this, and we'll definitely chill, have a good time, have a few burrs. Man, it's hard. It's hard for me to be bullish on Ethereum, guys. Like, what do you guys feel about this? Any real looks good? Yeah, I like that platform so far. Any real filthy shitcoins on there? It depends what you mean by filthy. Boom. So yeah, so for those who are joining late, I got a short on Link, got a short on Tezos. This is on the USD pairing. Let's see what King BTC is doing right now. Man, what a range we're in, huh? You'd long Ethereum rather than short. Interesting. Yo, RF Moore. Yo, welcome back. How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. All 37 of you on Twitch, what is up, guys? Everyone on the Periscope side, everyone on YouTube. It's always a pleasure to have you guys hanging out with me. But yeah, so for those who came late, we're testing out the trading platform EMX. We're in the EMX trading comp. So just taking some orders here. Got one on Link, one on Tezos. Let's go. Any of my my Forex people in here? Anyone know what the that's a funny wick. Anyone know what the like what the FA is right now for Europe? Strong, not strong. Because I'm a bit of a potato when it comes to other markets. Even this market, I'm a bit of a potato, but I know a bit more about crypto. You made a chart on Discord for me and tagged me. Okay. Yeah, Johnny, I think I'd be asking on the BTC pairing. Let's see if this loads. Plus TR. So around here. Interesting. Yeah, well, I mean, for now we'll leave the stops where they rest, and we'll see what happens. Tom Dante posted bye Euro USD. Really, huh? Let's check. I'll go here. Oh wow. Okay, let's go on the weekly. I mean, the most obvious level, 105.7, probably would see a bounce before that, though. Got a nice little gap here. You guys want to make a gap play? Alright, let's fill the gap here. Okay, we're going to take a trade on Euro. We're going short. Alright, stop above 112.6. That's not a great risk to reward setup. What shall we do? Oh, great, Mount Doji. Sounds good. Okay, yeah, RF more. Yeah, sorry, I just saw. Short Euro from 97.97. Let me go on the monthly. $97.97. So you mean something like wait, hold up. So let's say it goes this, whatever, and you'd be shorting this level, targeting here. Something like that. Just make the stop tighter. Yo, Peter, I'm too scared to set those tight stops, dude. What else? What else? What else? What else? On the monthly. Yeah, I'm gonna open a short on Euro. Let's hope we don't lose it all here. Hold up, just gotta check my messages quick. Sorry, I can't do two things at once, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, boom. Oh, did he? Hello? Is anyone on the Hangout link? Jim, is that you? I can't hear you.
Sorry, I was on mute.
Oh, hey, how's it going, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Let me just turn down the music here. Yeah, I just checked my emails and I got an email saying CEO Jim just joined the Hangout. I'm like, oh shit. How long you been? How long you been there,
I've
man?
been just listening in for a while now, but
okay.
it's been good.
All right, good stuff, man. Do you want to tell us a bit about the platform while you're here?
Yeah, so I'm one of the co-founders. Started the company EMX in 2017. I was previously a trader at Citigroup and a macro hedge fund.
Mm-hmm.
So I was trading in New York, futures and options on most liquid markets in the world, and wanted to give the same level of access to crypto traders. We thought, that using crypto as collateral was a natural use case. So then people can deposit Bitcoin or other crypto onto EMX and then use that to trade global markets without having to open up multiple brokerage accounts to trade, equities in one account, crypto in another account, commodities in another account. So we want to bring that all on one platform.
It's kind of daunting.
And yeah, so that was our vision when we started out, and we went live. And so we've been working really hard for the last year and a half, almost 2 years on the platform, and we went live a couple months back. And now what you see and what you've been trading on is the result of hard work from the team, and really excited to bring something new to the ecosystem.
Yeah, 100%.
And so we put a lot of care and attention into the user experience, the UI UX. We wrote a custom matching engine that'll let us scale and scale more easily and not face some of the system overload issues that exist on some of our.
So that's something you're tackling then.
Yeah. So we have a custom matching engine that's based on frequent batch auctions. So we're crossing traders periodically every second. So for most traders, there's no difference in experience. But on the back end, it's a lot easier and a lot simpler to scale if we do things in batches. And it's actually better for the end user. So high frequency traders don't have as much an advantage as on this system on our platform as they do in other exchanges. So it makes it more, So it makes it more fair for retail guys, smaller guys, and pretty much everyone except the HFT guys.
Yeah, that's actually a good point. I think that a lot of trading exchanges don't really take that into consideration, especially like when people are getting chopped up on BitMEX and like Deribit and just system overloads. I had an issue with that on BitMEX a few months ago. Well, many issues along my career, but one that really just kind of made me leave, and I never went back. But
I mean, it's not it can't be a professional trading platform if it goes down a couple times. Yeah,
at the most crucial fucking times too.
And that's the whole point. Is like when you want to trade, it's like, nope, sorry, market's closed for you.
But market makers can get their orders filled. Yeah, that's fine, sir.
Exactly. It's open to select few, and that's basically a sham. I mean, it's not professional, and that's why we wanted to create EMX to make a professional institutional grade for the masses, institutional grade exchange for everyone. So that's what we built, and what you see here is just the beginning. We have a lot in store. We want to roll out new features, new contracts. We want to get out a mobile app for our traders, because a lot of people, more than half, are using from mobile device right now. So there's a lot in store. So we're getting feedback from traders, and anyone on your in your community, feel free to join our Telegram. You can follow our progress there and ask questions directly to.
Where's the link for that? I'll actually bring it up and put it in chat right now. EMX, Trade EMX, and the Telegram is t.me/evermarkets for those who are interested. I'll link it up here for you to find, folks. But yeah, so far the response from the stream has been pretty good too. People seem to like what we're playing with. So yeah.
Nice. Yeah. We're pretty proud of what the platform we built, and happy to hear feature requests or ideas from your traders and anyone else who wants to have a better platform.
Yeah, that's one thing that there's no shortage of, or opinions. So I'm sure we're gonna get some along the way, and hopefully make it as good as it can be, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's just the beginning, So we're working hard to incorporate all the changes and all the feature requests, but the more feedback we have, the better it is for traders. End user.
Exactly. Perfect. Trading Peter asks, is KYC necessary for the testnet?
It's not necessary for testnet, no. So anyone can trade there, test out their strategies, play around with it. Yeah.
Darth Trader, where is the competition link? It is in my original tweet. I can link it up in a few minutes. So if I understand correctly, you guys might be getting TradingView on board in the near future. Am I correct?
Yeah, that's been a feature request, and so we put that on the roadmap, and that'll be coming out in the near term.
Perfect. Do you guys have any other little gems that you might be listing along the way, or are you guys keeping that a secret for now?
We're gonna have a spot exchange too. In addition to derivatives, we're gonna be trading. We have our token that we're gonna be launching through a listing on Probit right now, and then we have a small token sale there, and then we'll be listing there and on EMX for trading. Our exchange token.
Right.
That's coming out in the next few weeks. So the Probit sale starts on September 9th. And so it's just coming up. And then we'll have our listing there and on EMX shortly thereafter.
Good stuff. But yeah, no, so far it's really smooth. That's what I like a lot. And I do like the options, so yeah, do you want to do some trading with me, or do you have CEO stuff to do today?
Happy to talk trading strategies, where there's a lot of stuff going on.
Cool. You know a lot more about me than commodities. What's your opinion on gold right now?
People are playing gold people are worried about recession. People are worried about the trade war. So gold's a natural flight to quality. But same thing with dollar. So people also buy dollars in recession times and global sell-off. So
and all that.
Gold. Yeah. So gold USD might not move as much. Same with BTC USD. So dollar will be a flight to quality asset. So might want to trade gold versus some other currency. You can do gold, long gold, short euro, for example, and that's a trade that you can do on EMX.
So you can hedge yourself in a way.
Yeah. Same. Yeah.
Yeah, no, Rabbit's, keeping the platform functioning for regular traders during extreme conditions would be right up there. A list of priorities, I imagine. Exactly. Like, if you guys can seriously nail the actual, the flow of it, and prevent any of these, issues that other platforms are having, you're gonna be up there, 1,000%.
Yeah, and that's why we designed our matching engine the way we did to handle the scale of the trading volumes that go through on large volume.
How much would you say that algorithm's worth if someone else wanted to buy it?
I mean, it's proprietary, but
unlimited dollars. Fair enough.
$1 trillion.
$1 trillion. Is this your first time on a stream, on a Twitch stream?
I believe so. I've done a lot of several other video interviews, but not on Twitch.
Hey, welcome to Twitch, man. I'm glad you're here.
Thanks for having me. Sorry to surprise you.
Oh no, because I got the email oh god. I was afraid maybe I didn't hear you the whole time.
No, I didn't want to jump in just surprise you.
Scare me. Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, but it's good to talk to you and
you too,
get the message out there to traders who are actively trading, and we were building this for you guys. So.
Yeah, I wish you guys the best. Obviously, I'm thinking of shorting Ethereum USD. Am I crazy?
Yeah.
Guys,
That's
am I crazy? What do I think of WAN chain TA wise? TA wise, I mean, it just did what, like 100%, and it just made a high, a lower high. I mean, we could talk about altcoins another stream, but I wouldn't touch WAN chain right now, especially since it's not being listed on US Binance. And yeah, I don't know. I'm staying away from that. Man. Long or short Ethereum, you call it.
Oh, you talking to me?
Yeah, I know you got all the dirt on these platforms. Long or short Ethereum, I'll work out the rest.
I mean, go long,
Go
long,
long.
and
All right,
go long on the trading competition. So people, if everyone goes long, it'll go long. It'll go long.
Can you see actually like with the percentages of longs to short on your platform? Because that could be some interesting information for us.
Yeah. So I mean, trading competition, people are just punching all over the place.
Yeah, like me right now.
So I'm not sure how strong those signals are, but
fair enough.
But yeah.
If the majority is long, we are shorting, sir.
But yeah, so people can still sign up. There's still a week left. Anything can happen on in the next week.
Right.
And there is that one BTC grand prize for the top trader.
Nice. Another trader, CryptoZ's, was like #1 yesterday. I think he dropped down to #2 now, so he'd be my direct competition. Apart from the whatever 200 other people who are in front of me right now or so. But yeah, we're already making bank right now, shorting Link. Sorry, Link people. It's nothing personal. Fuck, I'm really trying to get on board with that long, Mr. CEO Jim. What to do? All right, how long? It's on USD, right? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, right now all the pairs are against USD. So BTC, USD, ETSD.
So we could actually open a long on the Ethereum US. Actually, Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum BTC is going to go down. Therefore, Ethereum USD will go up by less. So I think the better move would be to long BTC USD and open a counter short on Ethereum USD for a similar.
Yeah, I mean that's a valid trade. You just open up two trades and you're long BTC against ETH.
Let's do it. If I'm wrong, it makes sense why you're the CEO, and I'm the guy with the mask. All right, so is there a big difference for you in from your time creating this exchange, speaking to crypto companies, everything together? Is it a similar experience to what you once had before in other markets, or are there some differences that you can speak of?
Trading wise,
like people wise, trading wise, like what?
People wise, there's volatility in all markets. So crypto, is pretty volatile, but so are commodity markets. I was at Citigroup during the 2007, 2008 when everything blew up. Those markets were pretty volatile. So volatility wise, and that's the great thing about EMX is you don't have to just trade crypto and wait for when crypto markets are volatile. You can use your crypto collateral to trade the volatile market of the week. It can be crypto 1 week or commodities 1 week or equities the other. That's the beauty.
You always have something to play with.
Yeah. So you're not just limited to crypto volatility. Like last year when when BTC was around like 6,000 for 2 months, commodity markets are pretty volatile. So if EMX was around then, you could have just stayed in BTC but then trade a more active market. Same thing now. BTC is around 10,000. Equity markets are pretty interesting right now. So there's always something, and that's what EMX is great at, is giving traders the option to trade different markets that they choose.
Yeah, that's a good point. Everyone in chat like short Ethereum, short that shit. Now I'm afraid to short Ethereum. All you guys are want me to do it.
But in terms of like differences in people, I find crypto people are more willing to
Risk?
share
Share.
ideas.
Interesting. You wanna elaborate on that a bit for me?
Yeah, so yeah, when I was at a hedge fund, people didn't really talk about their trading strategies. They didn't really talk about, what was working for them. It was all very siloed, and
Mm-hmm.
people kept to themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but I find crypto is more open and community driven. People share ideas and share, new tools and
Their
hot
heart.
topics. Yeah,
Yeah, that's a good point
yeah. So
actually. That's one thing I really love about this community, I guess. Like everything I've learned is just from that. I mean, obviously it's from a lot of things, but the most helpful people that I've come across have been actually on Twitter, just traders who are sharing their thoughts, who take their time to explain everything. It's really it's a real blessing.
yeah, so I mean the community, crypto is still young relatively, relative to some of the other
Mm-hmm.
technologies and markets. So there's a lot of people that still haven't traded crypto or gotten into this space, and I find that the onboarding, once the user experience improves,
Mm-hmm.
we get a lot more people trading and involved. So having having people that are helpful now in the community will go a long way to bring more people into the ecosystem. So
Mm-hmm.
that's good.
Hey, have you guys built the ethos of your exchange? What you guys are about, or is that something that you're working on?
Well, it's just creating a great exchange for the masses,
Mm-hmm.
making it more fair,
Mm-hmm.
making markets more accessible, um,
Yeah.
and giving the traders the option to trade the most interesting market
Yeah.
of the time.
The market du jour, basically.
Yeah.
Good stuff. 20K, 20K. All right, so we're short on Ethereum USD now. My target is 150.05. Yeah, 05. 50K. Reduce only. Take profit. We're going to do stock market 150.05. Reduce only. Trigger price. Oh, oops. So should trigger when the stock is probably market price. Yeah, market price. Reduce only. Post only. Perfect. Watching Bagsy in this competition. Hey, what's up? Yo, what's up, Urban Hero? Or if you guys are looking for any market makers, let me know. Apparently, someone's interested. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Have him reach out to us
Well, you heard it.
on.
You heard it here first, Urban. But yeah, I'm in the trading comp right now. Exactly. Yeah, 50.05. Buy 50K, market order. Boom. Boom. All right. Do you guys plan on adding like Litecoin or any of the other like quote unquote BitMEX heavy ones, or are you guys gonna take a different route for that?
Um, on testnet we'll roll out different pairs to see
Instruments.
which,
Mm.
yeah, which instruments, and then
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
that'll be migrated to mainnet based on what's popular.
Mm. That's actually a good point. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a short on Ethereum, we got a short on Link, we got a short on Tezos. So I think we should do a long on Bitcoin. What do you guys think? Should we just go short on everything? Oh, Trader Peter wants to know, Jim, how did he come to the decision to create an exchange? I think you went a bit over it earlier. Um, you just want.
Yeah, I think yeah, after trading in New York for about 10 years, I got into crypto through, I came to San Francisco and got into the Ethereum community, and then just got into crypto and wanted to improve the exchange space.
Mhm.
At that time there was really just BitMEX and Deribit, and it really wasn't the best experience from the UI to the system overload issues. So
Right.
wanted to improve on the offerings at the time, and then built EMX to give traders something that I had at the hedge fund, which is easy access to global markets. So a
Mhm.
lot of retail traders, especially international ones, in Asia, South America, non, outside of U.S. and Western Europe, don't have easy access to some of these markets, and uh, you wanted to create an exchange that would provide that experience,
Mhm.
where you could have one platform, one exchange to go to view global markets and trade global markets. And so that was the
That was
driving
the
force
reasoning.
why we want to
Mhm.
start. Yeah, EMX.
Good stuff. 1 second. Just figuring out something here. Placing a
Mhm.
stop. Actually, no, we're gonna leave this one open for now. How did you go about creating this exchange? Did you hire someone to code it, or did you build it yourself?
We, you know, uh, we built everything in house. We worked with a consultant initially on the front end, but most of it was just all in house. We have, my co-founder, Craig Austin. We were college classmates, and he was a top-notch, engineer. Worked at Microsoft, worked at AQR, and then we brought on other friends and acquaintances from engineering friends from Microsoft and Amazon and around in our network.
Mm-hmm.
So we were able to source top talent just within our friend group, and then built it all in house.
So you didn't have to go too far.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Um, did you reference it off other exchanges? I guess what he means, like, yeah, I imagine so. Like, you
Yeah,
tried to
we
take the
took
best from people.
yeah, just take the best, from various exchanges, try to improve upon the what was missing,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, from both traditional and crypto markets,
Mm-hmm.
and wanted to build something that's easy to understand, intuitive, simple to use, um, and
Well,
so we
so far it seems to be just that, so that's good.
thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah,
By.
that's the
Mm-hmm.
feedback we've gotten too. People like trading from the chart, the trade mode, being able to customize their layout, uh, easy, understanding of their account summary, P&Ls.
All that fun stuff.
Yeah, the small stuff.
Yeah, Urban Hero. Um, Cross leverage is something that mechs noobs aren't used to. I recommend they consider isolated leverage if they have enough liquidity, says Urban Hero. Is that
Yeah, we've
something you're
been
looking
getting
at?
that feedback too. So we're thinking about how to make that more intuitive.
Gotcha, gotcha. What was one of the biggest technical problems for you guys to solve? It's a good question, Peter.
Um, I just think just putting everything together. The writing the API on the back end, getting that with the front end, writing the custom matching engine, putting into a lot of thought into, how that works timing wise from our gateways to the matching engine itself. So
Mm-hmm.
there's a lot of little pieces that had to be, put together in the right way
Mm-hmm.
to make it all work. And I think that was the most challenging.
Yeah, fair enough. Hero wants to know, do you have multi-profit targets? I don't know what he means by that, but
Is that for your trades or
I think it's for you. I don't know. He tagged EMX.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm
He
not
wants
sure
to know
what-
how much you're banking. I have no idea though, but yeah. I think Urban Hero really wants to have a call with you. All right,
Reach me
so
on Telegram. Yeah. Sign up, join our Telegram, and then you can find me there.
yeah, he's a pretty big boy trader. I've had him on the podcast a few times. It's been cool. So ladies, gentlemen at home, should we long or short Bitcoin? Hero, are you long or short? I need to know what's up here. I'm afraid to go long, and I'm afraid to go short. But it would make most sense for this competition probably to go long here. Do you have any positions open, Jim?
I've been nothing short term. I just
Okay.
right now it's
Accumulating the stacks.
yeah, just holding for the long term, but no time to actively trade right now.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of work to be done to make EMX the best exchange in the world. So
Yeah,
I'll
it's hard to do two
just
things
hold.
at once.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Hero said most exchanges have one single profit targets, but most institutions use multiple PT targets. Um, you might know more about that than me, Jim, but hey, what's up, Batman? Peter wants to know, how do you test if the system can handle enough stress? How certain can you be that you have the overload issues under control in such an early stage?
Well, one of the things with the matching engine, the auction-based matching engine, is that we cross traders all at once. So it's like a parallel way to cross. So instead of doing like one at a time, we can do thousands of traders all within one batch.
One,
So that
yeah, interesting.
but we do our own scalability testing, and the way that it was designed was to ensure that we can cross thousands or tens of thousands of traders in one batching algorithm.
Mm-hmm.
So they doesn't have to happen one at a time. It can all happen at once, and that allows us to scale much more easily than the other exchanges. So, and it's never been done before, and it's based on a paper by a professor at University of Chicago, and it's never been implemented in crypto or elsewhere. So we're the first to implement something like this.
That's
It's
really
quite
cool,
unique.
man. I mean,
Yeah.
so far, I really like it. I'm not saying that just because it's on my stream, but for real, like it's a cool platform. You guys have done some really
Thanks.
good work.
Thanks. Appreciate that.
No problem. Also, So Young's a very good VP marketer, by the way.
Yeah, Soyoung's great.
Yeah.
She's listening. Soyoung, we appreciate all the work you've done.
Shout out to So Young.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, cryptocurrency with the K? Your trading has improved a lot since the last time I stopped by. Oh, thanks, Urban Hero. Short the monthly open, you have the proper level identified. Sweet. Yeah, I've been learning a bit of price action from a few people, so I appreciate that a lot, man. You're a sweetheart. And I hope to have you on the show again one time, Urban Hero. Sorry, it's been a while. It's been too long. All right, time to short this to Hades. We do a stop or we just go all in on this? I think, should our stop be our liquidation, guys? What do you guys think? Liquidation at 11K? Nah, that's too. Nah, we're gonna put a stop at like 10.7. 10.7 target. One is gonna be, let's say 9100, target 2. Target 2 is going to be a bit higher. 8800, target 3, 8130. Stop loss. Let's go on lower time frames. I think we could see one more wick into this just to mess up everybody. But I don't think price should get all the way back to this 10.8 area. I mean, that wouldn't make sense to me. What do you guys think about that? Measure out the risk to reward. Always stops. Yeah, you're right, Urban. Always stops. Let's do it. Let's do it. You're gonna help me with my stop if you don't mind, Urban. So far, I'm thinking above this wick. Either above this wick or super tight. First target will have a risk to reward of 163. Second one, roughly two. And last but not least, 305. So that's an average of like 2.3 or something. Short Bitcoin at 10.3. Bags is trading like an IB now. You're gonna make me blush under this mask, sir. Don't have stopped on rest of liquidity, either the front or the back of the stop loss hunt. Okay. So we're gonna stretch this out a bit farther. I think I'm gonna set bids. I'm gonna set 25% here, 25% here, 25, 25. So if price were to go like this, yeah, I think that's better. Liquidity to the upside could get tagged in a ranging market, so move stops super tight or super loose. Your bulk PT should be 3-to-1 R&R, but your initial target can be a little less as 1-1. Interesting. Jim, what in-house mechanisms are in place to keep funds safe?
So we use BitGo as our custody storage of our tokens. We do withdrawal requests once per day. We manually inspect some of the withdrawal requests and make sure that everything is in line. We have scripts in place to make sure nothing is too out of the norm, and so that kind of keeps us different. Makes us different than some of the other exchanges that are popping up. So those are the key security features that we have in place. It's mainly using a third-party BitGo that's trusted by some of a lot of other large institutions.
Cool. Peter's got the questions over here. All right, so 10440 is going to be the next one. Here, third one's going to be at 10896. Fourth order and final order is going to be at let's clean up all this mess here. Who's the best trader you've ever met, Jim?
One of the traders at the fund I was at, he was a really good trader. Traded global macro, so he traded rates, FX, equities, and he was like a printing machine. He would just print money every week. It wasn't every day, but what the losses that he suffered were tiny compared to the profits that he would make. So he would know when to size and when to go big. And I think you don't have to be right all the time. You just have to be right with conviction, more often than not, and that's what made him a great trader.
Very cool. Mr. Bagsy, will you chart altcoins today? Maybe after this stream. I want to give EMX enough time to fully get out all the info we need to get out. Maybe after. Yeah, Batman. Holy moly, they have gold. Yes, they have gold.
Yeah, and we're looking for contract suggestions. People can join our Telegram and give us feedback on what contracts they want to trade next. Add to the platform.
Yeah, I'm sure people would give you many opinions on that. Oh, I didn't get filled yet. Interesting. Okay, now I'm filled. Okay, so we got orders at 10K 170. We got some at 10K 896, 11,114, and I'm thinking, and that's like, where do you place your stop if you're placing orders so wide? I wouldn't want to see price get to 11.5, so I think average position would be around 10.7, stop above 11.5, and target 1 would be 91.32, and that's a 2.26 hour trade, and all the way down. Do you have let's say you're bearish right now, do your analysts, does anyone have a target in mind, or is that not something you guys really sweat?
No, we don't really have any positions on directional positions. We do have an internal market making team that helps with liquidity on the platform, but they don't take directional bets, and it's all to make sure that there's ample liquidity for traders to trade. So
fair enough.
We'll just have all our risk.
Yeah. Is there a liquidation fund like BitMEX, or how does that work?
Yeah, there's an insurance fund, and if there's liquidations, then there's a fee that goes into that insurance fund.
Very cool. So yeah, stop is going to be at 11.534. 11.534. And that's going to be for, let's see how many bitcoins we have in play. So plus 8.977, 27.75. So we'll do a stop, 27 reduce only, market order, market price, 11.534. Cool. That's that. Wow, so we're basically short the entire market. This is gonna go interesting. Perfect. Hey, what's up, Crypto Nerd? How you doing? You ever met I'm sure you've met a couple sociopaths during your way. How's that been? Are you a sociopath?
There's been a lot of interesting characters that I've met along the way, for sure. A lot of interesting characters.
Fair enough. That's the beauty of this thing. Meet so many people along the way. Have you
Yeah.
found that the best traders have been sociopaths?
They're traders that have a lot of conviction,
Mm-hmm.
um, and are willing to do uh, unconventional things. So
Mm-hmm. Okay. Like double down on a losing
yeah.
position, triple down.
Um,
Have you read Market Wizards before?
a long time ago, I think I read a couple chapters of that book. Yeah.
Okay, everyone at home, I recommend you guys read it. It's just it's a cool book on 50 odd traders that I think Jack Schwager's his name. No, not Jack Schwager. I don't know. So Jack interviewed 50 odd people, and they each give a short couple page story on something they learned in trading or something that happened to them, and it's a cool book to get to if you want to.
Yeah, it's like
Mm-hmm.
he interviews a lot of hedge fund managers and
Yeah.
what makes them tick or what they feel is like their strengths or weaknesses and what works for them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Hero's saying my IB friend says the best traders he knew had mental disorders. Interesting. Yeah, I guess autism could be one that could be used quite well. Hyper intelligent, focused. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
A few of my good friends are autistic actually, and dude, working with them is fucking great. They're machines. I can't speak for everyone with autism, but the friends that I've made are like super high performance, just like going for it. So yeah, so we got 4 positions up right now. Bitcoin short, Ethereum short, Link short, Tezos short. Should we go long on gold? Let's see where gold's at right now. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Yeah, we're like smack on higher time frame resistance. What to do? Typically, I'm not the type to long into resistance. Can't long this. Let's see what kind of bearish divs we have. Ugh, I don't like this. Like initially, we had a pretty good bearish div going into this resistance at 1554, but we just saw a fresh break with some new volume. So I can't long this, and I don't think I can short this either. I'd actually probably look for a long once we break into this and kind of do a retest if possible. That would make it for an interesting long because I don't really want to short against the trend, but I also don't want to long here. So I'll be patient on gold right now. What else can we play with? Are you bullish, or are we gonna see the new recession coming in on the S&P 500? What do you think?
It's kind of weird. Everyone's talking about a recession, but
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, I can't short the S&P.
yeah. And then with Trump tweeting every
Dude, totally.
yeah, it's
Yeah,
really
I'm not messing with that. If anything, I'd probably log the S&P, like a bozo at the top.
but it's interesting. Like, and that's the thing is people who have views like crypto traders who trade crypto now they have access to something that's
Foreign.
where if they have a view on like recession or something that's related to the general economy, they can trade it on EMX and trade equities directly or gold directly.
Yeah. I think I should long the S&P 500. Actually, I don't want to touch it because I don't really mess with it. Well, I think we'll leave our positions as they are now, and if you guys are curious, I'll update you guys throughout the week. Right now, if we were to go to our competition, what's our P&L looking at? Like 0.25% or something. 4 trades. Sharpie 0.32%. We're doing great, guys. Making our way to the top. How many people have been liquidated on EMX so far?
In the testnet,
Yeah, testnet.
you can look at the leaderboard.
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
see which like minus 100.
Okay, gotcha.
It's
Yeah,
probably all liquidated.
yeah. Yeah. So starting from 287, people are just in the red, and that's all over 1,000 plus contestants. So guys, we're doing better. Hey,
Better than
thank you
the
for your
top
input.
25.
Exactly. So,
After.
mhm. So for this platform, is there anything that I missed that I haven't covered, or anything that you think is worth bringing up?
Um, I think you did a good job. I think people can still join the competition.
Hmm.
There's still a week left. So,
Here, yeah.
uh,
Let me get the link. Actually, I have it in my. I
mhm.
have it here. There you go. So here, ladies and gents, I'm gonna link this into chat box. If you guys do want to compete, as Jim said, there's another week left. It's free. You don't need to KYC or anything, and try to get that one BTC prize, but you have to beat me first. And yeah, to everyone who
Yeah.
wants me to chart altcoins, maybe I'll do a quick like 45-minute stream right after this, and we can check some altcoins. And hey, Jim, it was really good talking to you, man. You seem to have a good head about you, and I'm sure if you guys keep doing good moves, you'll definitely get to where you need to get to.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Thanks for the stream today and
No problem.
sharing with your friends.
100%. Thanks for the opportunity. So, ladies and gents, I'm going to end the stream here. If you have any questions, just hit me up on Twitter, and I'll go live in another like 10 minutes or so. Just let me get some water in my system, and just one sec, Jim. I'm just going to close the stream, and we'll have a quick chat. Take care, everybody. See you in a few minutes.